Now, in a major announcement, US firm Moderna has said that its new vaccine that targets a South African variant of the coronavirus is now ready for testing. The company has said that the doses have been shipped to the US National Institute for Health for testing. The South African mutant strain of coronavirus is considered to be more dangerous, as it is believed to hinder the action of antibodies that target the older strain of the virus. This means that patients who were infected by the virus before may get the vaccination again, and the South African variant has also resulted in reducing the protection provided by the current generation of vaccines. The earlier studies had found that Moderna's vaccine was actually less protective against the South African variant of the coronavirus vaccine, but the company had said that the observed level of neutralizing antibodies, which can actually bind to viruses and then block them from getting into cells, actually had stayed above the protective levels. The company has also asserted that it is pursuing the development of a variant, a specific vaccine, as part of a number of different strategies that are being considered. Firstly, the South African mutant variant specific candidate called the mRNA could be used as a booster. Secondly, the company might use a booster that combines the classic vaccine with the variant-specific mRNA to create a new product. And thirdly, people could actually receive, believe it or not, a possible third dose of the classic vaccine to raise their overall immunity even against the South African mutant variant of the virus. And Moderna's CEO, Stefan Bancel, has said, and I quote him here, "We look forward to beginning the clinical study of our variant booster and are grateful for the National Institute of Health for their continued collaboration to combat this pandemic." The U.S. Food and Drug Administration recently announced that companies developing variant-specific vaccines will not have to go through the same long authorization process that they had to for approvals for their original shots. Moderna has already begun testing using their third dose of the vaccine as a booster shot in people who have already received 2 doses. But it will now start clinical trials to evaluate the safety and the effectiveness of its variant-specific booster. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.